and outstanding.
Dude, go to that weekend. Yeah, no, she like, Ray hasn't opened it, so like, I don't want to like ask Ray. Yeah, alright, go do it.
Hey, this is as noisy as first hour. Try to be as often as possible. Does not work for me. And should things go horribly bad, instead of reviewing for a quiz and a post-test, which these questions would help you with tremendously, Mrs. Ensign made up another 27-slide PowerPoint where we could do some notes and read. And I would rather not do that. I would rather us get ready for tests and quizzes. So, I know it's Monday. I'm tired. I bet a few of you are tired, but we cannot be as chatty as we are right now. So, I will let Ray, whose name I will start listing, have the ability to pick any number between 1 and 40. You're going to start off with what question we're doing first. You do not need to answer the question you pick as a number if you don't know the answer. Again, help the class out. Really only raise your hand if you are sure you know the answer, and then you might be wrong. But don't raise your hand just to get over it. Nobody sits down until they've done their question.
36.
36?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to get you guys a little bit more involved. Ray, I would like you to read the question you picked out loud.
I can't read. I'm just like picking.
Which now passes it off to Karina, who sits at the same row, even though I don't know if this is 100% real. And she's so scared and shaking because Kylie's going to do it.
What happens after as new plates sliding past each other causes land pieces to break at high pressure osmosis?
Okay, who thinks they know what natural disaster is resulting from plates sliding past each other, pieces of land breaking as high pressure? Earthquake is correct. Grant sits down and picks the next number. So, just a red bar. That question has been picked and answered correctly. A bar like this. Something to be writing down from some people at the end. Back of the room. Stop talking, stay standing. Grant. Pick any number but 36. Are you 11? Okay. Also called an ocean ridge. This is the crack or gap left behind after two plates have separated. So what is the other term for ocean ridge that is what gap is left behind after divergent plates have separated? In fact, this was the first one that we knew. Ocean ridge came up last. No? Rift Valley, 2 for 2. Okay, Mia. And you can have a seat. You're on. Okay, third question. So far we're 2 for 2. Which type of plate boundary would show two plates separated? If you think you know what your answer is, And you're not trying it if you're already sitting down. So looking around the room, you guys get to make the call who's going to answer this if we see anybody with a hand up. Now I see 2 people with hands up. I see a couple people pointing towards Andrea. I see 1 person pointing out Sophie.
Why me? I don't even know what to answer. I can get
Okay,
it on film.
Andrea.
She doesn't even
Divergent, it's correct. Okay, Andrea. Take the next number. You know what, 7th hour and other. I can have, instead of having this actually trying to review this, I can just let people write all these questions down and find the answers out for themselves. That's probably what I'll do for 7th hour classes that just have a hard time staying quiet. I'd rather use this as a review and let you guys hear the questions, think about the questions, and see how this works when we eventually get to sink or swim. But believe me, I've never done 40 questions before. Usually I've only got between 15 and 20. This is everything that we could possibly say.
15.
Okay, you've got a nice loud voice. Would you read this question out loud?
This type of plate boundary describes 2 plates coming together.
Zakia immediately raised her hand. People are pointing at Zakia. Nobody else is raising their hand. Zakia. Convergence. Good. All right, Zakia, next number.
Oh, we already did 11. We did.
Yep, there's a red line above.
20.
20? Quiet. Okay, I can't let people sit on tables. This scientist suggested continents move by seafloor spreading. First hour spent a long time trying to remember this scientist. Nobody got it. Mariah's the only hand up. Mariah.
Alfred.
Nope.
No! Harry has.
Who said Harry had?
Me.
That was the second answer. Was the right one.
I'm so glad I was about to put my hand up.
But have a seat and pick the next number that we don't already have. You did it after the incorrect answer. So pick the big number and back of the room.
28.
Stop talking. You know what? With me not having the energy, when we get to strike 3, I'm just going to have you guys all sit down, pull out a piece of paper, and then you guys can start writing the questions down. Instead of writing just the few questions that this class misses, you guys can write all the questions, and then you guys have a study guide for the unit quiz and the plate tectonics post-test, which this is made up of. So, let's try to focus. We're going to be working hard through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The science article for September on Thursday, which will probably be due when we come back from fall break. And then Friday will just be kind of a fun day. Wednesday will be the test day. Tomorrow and today are review days. This type of heat transfer results from energy moving through empty space like sunlight warming up the air. We have 3 types of heat transfer. Which one is the sun doing as it places all of its energy through all this empty space to warm up Earth? What is it? Greenhouse effect. Mariah already sitting down? Not photosynthesis. Okay. Neither of those are even heat transfer. This type of heat transfer, radiation. We have a other type of heat transfer, which is the one everybody should know with this type of motion, versus the third type, which you should know better than radiation. Okay, so Julius, you tried first. Give another number. Okay, 4 layers of Earth. Oh wait, this is the one that is not one of the, wait. Yeah. This layer of the Earth is made of 2 layers, the upper lithosphere and the lower asthenosphere allows for seafloor spreading due to magma driving movement by convection currents beneath the crust. That is probably the key clue for which layer we're talking about. Which is the second layer, which is actually made up of 2 layers, lithosphere and asthenosphere. Okay, I'm not saying, I only see one hand up, so you guys are going to be looking around to see who you're going to let answer. Everybody's pointing out Damien. Damien. Mantle, correct. Damien, new number. And once you answer whether it's right or wrong, have a seat. Good. This theory states all continents were originally together as one landmass and drifted apart over time.
Is this like a person?
Now, this is one of our 2 key theories for this unit. So which of the 2 theories said that originally all of our continents today were one giant landmass and then they slowly drifted apart over time? You guys can see 2 hands up. Maybe the hand in the back of the room is down now. So I can't see. Is it still between Jaden and Kylie? With you guys picking who will answer? Most people are sadly not pointing at Kylie. Everybody's pointing over at Jaden. Jaden! Continental drift is correct. Did you know that one? You were going to say that too? Good. Okay, so Jaden picked the new number. Can you guys all see the red bars from the back of the room?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, definitely missed in first hour. The tendency of an object to float in a fluid based on different pressures acting on either side of it. And I only see one hand up. And it looks like Jack. Buoyancy, good. Yeah. Go ahead and take the pass. Okay, Jack, new number 2. Okay. The uppermost part of the mantle and crust, about 100 kilometers thick. So it's not one of the 4 main layers of Earth, but which sublayer is the upper part of the mantle and the lower part of the crust together?
Is this kind of like inside or is it? This is Pfizer.
No caps on it, class. Anybody having an idea of this one? Okay. Okay, it is a sphere, but not atmosphere. Which is the sphere which I say is round?
Biosphere?
That's light. That's water.
Geosphere?
That's all Earth.
Lithosphere.
Lithosphere. How about everybody write this question down now? Everybody get something that you can write with. Let's write this question down now. 4 people. Hey, everybody, go back and sit down. We're not going to be standing and then sitting since we're doing this, just to see how the first one will go. But I do want everybody writing down a question that nobody really got right. So we're going to go a little bit quicker on this. I will just we're going to write down this question and any other question everybody's missing. I'd like you guys to write it down in the right answer.
I only have one.
Leave me your AP calendar that you can take the laminated pass and I'll take this up in the back. Okay, so everybody should be writing number 2. The uppermost part of the mantle, let's go ahead and take that out, and crust, it is about 100 kilometers